India is a land of rich spices, bold flavors, and diverse culinary traditions. With thousands of regional specialties, Indian cuisine is one of the most beloved and widely enjoyed cuisines in the world. From aromatic curries and sizzling tandoori dishes to crispy snacks and sweet desserts, Indian food is a true celebration of flavors. Today, we're counting down the top 20 most popular Indian dishes, exploring their origins, ingredients, and why they're loved globally. Which Indian dish is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious food explorations. Now let's begin. 20. Pav Bhaji, a street food favorite. Pav Bhaji is a spicy mashed vegetable curry served with buttered and toasted bread rolls. Pav. It originated in Mumbai and is now enjoyed nationwide. 19. Chole Bhature. A classic North Indian dish, chole bhature consists of spicy chickpea curry, chole, paired with deep-fried fluffy bread, bhature. It's a popular breakfast and street food. 18. Samosa. These crispy, deep-fried pastries are filled with spiced potatoes, peas, and sometimes meat, making them a perfect snack or appetizer across India. 17. Rajma, red kidney bean curry. A comfort food staple, rajma is a hearty curry made with red kidney beans, tomatoes, and aromatic spices, served with steamed rice. 16. Pani Puri, Golgappa. A beloved street food, pani puri consists of crispy hollow balls filled with spicy, tangy water, mashed potatoes, and chickpeas. It's a must-try for every food lover. 15. Masala dosa. A crispy, thin rice crepe stuffed with a spiced potato filling, masala dosa is a South Indian delicacy served with coconut chutney and sambar, lentil stew. 14. Baingan bharta. A smoky, flavorful dish made by roasting eggplant, then mashing it with tomatoes, onions, garlic, and Indian spices. It pairs beautifully with roti or rice. 13. Aloo paratha. A stuffed Indian flatbread, aloo paratha is filled with spiced mashed potatoes cooked on a griddle with butter or ghee and served with yogurt or pickles. 12. Tandoori chicken. A spicy, smoky, and charred chicken dish, marinated in yogurt and bold spices, then grilled in a tandoor clay oven. 11. Korma. A rich, creamy curry made with meat or vegetables, slow-cooked with yogurt, nuts, and aromatic spices for a mild, luxurious flavor. 10. Rogan Josh. A signature Kashmiri dish. Rogan Josh is a slow-cooked lamb curry rich in spices like cardamom, cinnamon, and Kashmiri red chili, giving it a vibrant red color. 9. Paneer butter masala, a creamy and mildly spiced tomato-based curry. This dish features paneer, Indian cottage cheese, cooked in a rich butter sauce with cashews and cream. 8. Dal makhani, a Punjabi delicacy. Dal makhani is a slow-cooked black lentil curry enriched with butter and cream, giving it a silky texture and deep flavor. 7. Hyderabadi Biryani. A royal dish from Hyderabad, this biryani is made with basmati rice, marinated meat, saffron, and whole spices, all cooked in layers for a rich aroma and flavor. 6. Malai kofta, soft paneer and potato dumplings, fried and served in a rich, creamy tomato-based gravy, making it a vegetarian delight. 5. Butter chicken, murg makhani. Perhaps the most famous Indian dish worldwide, butter chicken is a creamy tomato-based curry made with grilled chicken, butter, cream, and mild spices. 4. Chana masala, a spicy, tangy chickpea curry. Chana masala is a staple in North Indian cuisine, commonly eaten with rice or flatbreads. 3. Bel puri, a popular Indian street food. Bel puri is a crispy, tangy, and spicy mix of puffed rice, vegetables, tamarind chutney, and spices. 2. Palak paneer. Nutritious and flavorful dish. Palak paneer consists of soft paneer cubes in a smooth, spiced spinach gravy packed with iron and protein. 1. Gulab jamun. India's most beloved dessert. Gulab jamun are fried, milk-based dumplings soaked in rose-flavored sugar syrup, melting in your mouth with every bite. That's our list of the top 20 most popular Indian dishes. From spicy curries to crispy snacks and sweet treats, Indian cuisine is a true celebration of flavors. Which dish is your favorite? Did we miss any must-try Indian foods? Let us know in the comments below. If you love food content, like, share, and subscribe for more delicious food videos. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next food adventure.